Let us look at the meta tag in the head tag. Now we can have different types of meta tags in HTML. Currently we have the charset meta tag. Now this charset tag specifies the character encoding for the web page. We have different encodings, but UTF-8 is a universal character set. So when you use UTF-8, it means your web page can handle almost any character. Now look at the body. We have a Chinese writing over there. So because it's UTF-8, it should be able to handle Chinese, even if it's not English. Now let us try and tamper with the character sets, and we would use ISO 88591. This character set handles Latin alphabet. So if I try to display Chinese on a web page with this character set, I may see something weird, as you can see currently on the web page. So normally it's safe to use UTF-8 so that your web page can handle any character set. You can read more on character sets and the various character set codes you can use, but for majority of our work, we would leave it as UTF-8 for simplicity.